So, this is the tale of Sympathy the Learned. There was once a rich merchant in Baghdad, and matanda na siya. And one day, he complained to his youngest wife. Madami siyang wives. So, lumapit siya dun sa pinakabata niyang asawa. Tapos, nag-request siya na matanda na siya. Tapos, wala pa rin siyang tagapagmana ng mga ari-arian niya, tapos mga kayamanan niya. So, one day, nagsiping sila nung wife niya, and then, nagkaroon sila ng anak na lalaki. Yung anak na lalaki ay pinangalanan nilang si Abu Al-Hasun. Si Abu Al-Hasun, tumanda siyang makisig na bata. Tapos one day, nung matanda na yung tatay niya, nilapitan siya ng tatay niya, tapos naghabili na sa kanya na iiwan daw lahat ng kayamanan tsaka ari-arian sa kanya. Nung namatay naman yung tatay niya, parang si Abu Al-Hasun, parang nagrebelde siya. Tapos lahat ng pamana sa kanya na pera, mga gold, magagandang damit, mga lupa, parang ginastos niya yun. Lahat, every penny. Tapos, nung namatay yung father niya, parang yung mga tropa na, yung mga inom-inom, mga party, lagi sila nag-face. Yun yung parang naging coping mechanism niya sa pagkamatay ng father niya. Hanggang sa isang araw, nagising na lang siya na almost lahat ng possession niya, wala na. Not a single penny, ni isang ari-arian, ni isang lupa, ni isang gold, wala nang natira sa kanya. Tapos the only thing that was left in his possession was one servant girl. Yung servant girl na to, she was so perfect physically on the outside na sobrang ganda, sobrang kinis, magaganda yung mata, mapupungay, and her name was Sympathy. Sympathy was so loyal to his master na dumating sa point na almost 3 days silang walang kain and tulog. So, sobrang loyal ni Sympathy, willing siyang ibenta yung mga magaganda niyang garments and jewelries para lang may makain siya or may maibigay siya dun sa master niya na si Abu Al-Hasun. Hanggang sa dumating yung time na wala na silang maibenta, nagsabi si Sympathy sa amo niya na dalhin siya sa commander of the faithful na si Harun al-Rashid, the 5th line of Abbas, na i-offer siya sa dyan niya sa commander kapalit ng 10,000 dinars na ibibigay dun sa amo niya na si Abu Al-Hasun. Tapos kapag nag-complain daw, sabihin daw nila sa commander na worthy siya na mag-serve sa Khalifa. So pumayag yung amo niya na si Abu Al-Hasun. Tapos pumunta sila dun sa commander. Tapos nandun din sila within the presence of the Khalifa, silang dalawa. Nung andun na sila, si Sympathy, she stood up, held her chin high, and she claims na she has studied syntax, poetry, civil, canon law, music, astronomy, geometry, arithmetic, law concerning inheritance, arts of elucidating grammars, and reading ancient inscriptions. And marunong every chapter and every verse of Quran daw. Alam daw ni Sympathy, she claims to herself. She also knows architecture, logic, philosophy, and knows every instrument na ibigay sa kanya. And she claims that she knows how to dance in 50 ways. So, Harun al-Rashid was delighted. Sinabi niya kay Abu Shamat. And then, they had an agreement that they shall test Sympathy if she is worthy of the words that she was saying. Kapag hindi nila na-prove na totoo yung mga sinasabi ni Sympathy at bumagsak siya dun sa test na pinapagawa ni Harun al-Rashid, hindi matutuloy yung pagbigay ng 10,000 dinars tapos isusoli siya sa amo niya, sa kanyang master. So, the next thing that the commander did They have called all the chief of poets, grammarians, theologians, doctors, philosophers, astronomers, mga musicians and lawyers para lang ma-prove na kung totoo ba yung kiniklaim ni Sympathy na genius nga siya in every way, that she knows everything. Tapos, habang napaligiran siya ng mga theologians, doctors, philosophers, etc. na to, mga astronomers, Sympathy was just smiling through her white veil. At first, she was challenged by the Quran readers, and they had to ask her questions. One of the questions that was asked to her is, who is your prophet? Who is your imam? What is your orientation? What is your rule of life? What is your guide? And who are your brothers? So, madaming questions kay Sympathy, and lahat naman nasagutan niya. So, her answer to the first question is, Allah is my Lord, Muhammad is my prophet, the Quran is my law. And then, the next questions na tinanong sa kanya ng Quran reader is, what are the praiseworthy acts of pity? So, she answered, there are 6 in numbers, which is prayer, alms, fasting, pilgrimage, fighting, bad instincts, and forbidden things. Next question is, what is the aim of prayer? Sympathy said that to offer the homage of my wine to the Lord and to celebrate His praises. And hindi pa rin kontento yung Quran speaker, the commentator. She asked Sympathy more questions like, what is the value of prayer? Of course, Sympathy said that it lights the heart, it brightens the face, it pleases the compassionate and infuriates the evil, and attracts the pity and repels the evil. And then, the Quran reader said, speak to me now of fasting. Sympathy said that to abstain from eating and drinking, and enjoying sexual enjoyment until sunset on every day of Ramadan till the moon is seen. And then the question just keeps going on and going on. But unfortunately for the commentator, Sympathy was able to answer all of his questions. Kaya he could not accept and admit to himself that Sympathy is really worthy nga of all of her words, that she claims to know everything about the Quran, which is true. And then, Sympathy requested to the commander that she shall ask one question in return. Kasi lahat naman daw ng questions ng commentator na sagot niya. She asked to the commentator that, what are the foundations in Islam? Sympathy asked that if hindi daw nasagot yung questions niya, she will take all his garments and nagpaalam siya sa Khalifa, and the Khalifa approved. But unfortunately, hindi nasagot yon ng commentator, kaya Sympathy, kinuha niya yung gowns and belongings ng commentator na yun. So the second one that challenged her was the theologian. So the first question that he asked to her was, can you tell me what is something half? What is something less than something? Sympathy said that a believer is something, a hypocrite is half something, and an infidel is exactly the opposite. Her next question was, how many hearts are there? Sympathy said that there is the heart of the believer, which is pure and healthy, heart of the infidel, which is the exact opposite. And then, nagtanong na naman siya. After asking so many questions, Sympathy asked again ng isang question sa theologian na dapat masagot ng theologian. If not, bibigay sa kanya ng theologian yung mga gamit niya, like yung suot ng mga expensive garments like gowns. So, Sympathy's question dun sa theologian is, can you tell me what duty must be fulfilled before all other duties? But unfortunately, the theologian cannot answer, and after that, she took his gown as the theologian bows his head as he exits the room. And Sympathy said that the duty that must be fulfilled before all other duties is the duty of ablution. Came after the theologian, next was the doctor of medicine. He was the doctor of medicine admits that Sympathy is a genius in every way, especially with theologies in the Book of Quran. That's why ititest niya ngayon si Sympathy if she knows enough about medicine. So the doctor asks, what are the compositions of a body of a man? Why was Adam called Adam? So sinabi ni Sympathy na Adam is an Arab word which is adim, that means surface of the earth. Give to the man who was created from earth. Adam's head was made from the soil of the west. Her next question was, what is the cause of illness in the head? Sympathy answered that due to principally diet, filling the stomach again before the previous meal is digest. So gluttony daw was the cause of the disease. The doctor asked one more question. What is the best water? Sympathy said that the best water or the fresh water contained in a jar of Paris clay which has been rubbed with some healthy perfumes. So ayan na naman ulit si Sympathy. After many questions that was asked to her, she asked again for another question. Like, Sympathy asked one question dun sa doctor. If the doctor cannot answer, the doctor will give her the gown and the garments na suot ng doctor. So the doctor agreed. And the doctor was confident that he can answer Sympathy's question. Sympathy asked that, can you tell me what is round like the earth and lives in an eye and copulating without an organ? Fortunately, the doctor just bowed down his head, smiled, and said that he cannot answer. So the doctor admits that Sympathy has knowledge about medicine. And then Sympathy answered the question. It was the button and the button loop. One last commentator appeared in front of Sympathy, which is the astronomer. So this astronomer asked Sympathy that where does the sun rise and where does it set? Sympathy answered na yung sun daw, it rises from the rivers of the east and sets among the rivers of the west. The next question that the astronomer asked her was, what part or level of the sky does the planet hung? Saturn hangs in the seventh heaven, Jupiter is in the sixth, Mars is the fifth, Sun is from the fourth, Venus the third, Mercury the second, and Moon the first. So, after receiving so many questions from other commentators, of course, yung astronomer, madami din siyang questions kay Sympathy. So many questions that the astronomer had gave up and admitted that Sympathy does know about astronomy. But Sympathy said that she agreed to. And ayan na naman siya, nagtatanong na naman siya ng question dun sa astronomer. Kapag hindi nasagot ng astronomer yung questions niya, ibibigay ng astronomer yung damit niya kay Sympathy. So, she asked the astronomer, what are the three classes of stars? And the astronomer couldn't answer. So, Sympathy said that stars are divided into three classes. First are fixed like torches that lights the earth. Second, one that illuminates the sea. And third are the stars that move between the fingers of Allah. So, the last one was the philosopher na inutusan na ng Khalifa. Which because nakita niya naman na almost every commentator na nag-question kay Sympathy has failed na i-bring down or hindi makasagot sa sympathy sa mga questions nila. So the philosopher took place in the stead of the astronomer. So she questioned sympathy. What are the 5 creatures of Allah who ate and drank before they had ever defecated or made water? Sabi ni sympathy, there are 5 creatures, which was Adam, Simon, Salis, dromedary, Ishmael's ram, and the bird. Now, she asked for a riddle, or sympathy asked for a riddle in exchange of a gown, which is the astronomer must answer. If not, she must give her his gown and garments. So, ito yung riddle na sinabi ni sympathy. She is slim, tender as straight as lance, but has a lance sharpness. Her sweetness is useful as an evening of Ramadan. Fortunately, the philosopher did not answer. He cannot answer sympathy's question, and the answer was sugarcane. And then finally, the commander Harun al-Rashid was amazed by her knowledge and wisdom and ordered the learned Ibrahim Siyar to give his own gown to the girl. So after nun, binigay na nung philosopher, hindi na hiningi ni sympathy yung gown, pero inutusan mismo ng commander yung philosopher na siya na mismo magbigay ng gown niya kay sympathy since hindi niya nga nasagot yung questions ni sympathy. And then, later on, after that, she was asked by the Khalifa to play an instrument. So, sympathy held a lute, and while playing the instrument, she sings. Tapos, nung nagsising na siya, everyone in the room, everyone sa loob ng kwarto na yun, even the commentators, was shocked dun sa narinig nilang voice. Sobrang ganda ng boses ni sympathy that it let tears or naluha halos lahat ng tao. They felt deep emotions sa boses niya. So, tuwang-tuwa ngayon yung Khalifa. And then, natuwa din si Harun al-Rashid kasi nga napatunay ni sympathy that she is worthy of her words. That everything that she claimed was true. Everything that she claimed about her was true. So, the Khalifa praised her, gave her 10,000 dinars, which is yung 10,000 dinars na yun para sa kanyang master na si Abu al-Lasun. And then, pinapili siya ng Khalifa kung gusto niya daw ba na mag-enter sa harim ng Khalifa and sa palace ng Khalifa, or gusto daw ba niyang mag-return dun sa master niya. Sabi ni sympathy na in Allah's name daw, hinalikan niya yung hands ni Khalifa. Tapos sinabi niya na, I wish to return to my master. Na she'd appreciate the offer but she wishes to return the master. Na by the end of the day, nanalo pa din yung loyalty niya and yung devotion niya dun sa master niya. Natuwa naman, hindi naman nagalit yung Khalifa dun sa sinabi ni sympathy. Instead, na nireciprocate niya yung sinabi ni sympathy. Tapos binigyan pa siya ng 5,000 dinars na extra. Iba pa yung 10,000 dinars na para sa master niya, and iba pa yung 5,000 dinars na para sa kanya lang. So the two left the hall. Sympathy and her master left the hall with the approving smile of the Khalifa and the commander. Tapos pag alis sila, bit na nila yung mga gold sacks of money, which is the 10,000 dinars and the 5,000 dinars na reward ng Khalifa sa kanila. And kasama na rin yung mga gowns tsaka mga garments na nakuha nila dun sa mga philosophers, astronomers, theologians, and other commentators na nag-question sa kanila.